video, we're going to be learning about Google Opinion Rewards. So, Google Opinion Rewards has over here, there'll be a survey. Then, if you complete the survey, you'll get Google Play credits. So with the Google Play credits, you can buy stuff from the Play Store. So you can buy anything. So right now I have 3.57 Google Play credits. Over here you can share Google Opinion Rewards with your friends. Then as you can see, I'm on phone right now. That's because Google Opinion Rewards is only there on phone. You can install it in the Play Store. So once you get Google Play credits, it'll expire in 1 year. So make sure you use it before it expires. And then if you have a survey, you'll get a notification that there's a survey and you can go and do it. And with this you can buy things from the Play Store. I think I already mentioned that. And that's all about Google Opinion Rewards. Bye bye.